waves are caused by wind moving across the surface of the water. The friction between the air molecules and the water molecules causes energy to transfer from the wind to the water. This causes waves to form.
Here we have a demonstration of how the movement of the wind functions and how the wind causes a circular motion causing the water to move.
Wave speed is the distance a wave travels in a given amount of time, such as the number of meters it travels per second.
The formula to find the speed is you need to grab the distance and divide it by the time. Wavelength is the distance between the two peaks in a wave. The formula for wavelength is velocity equals frequency times wavelength. To find the velocity, you use the formula I gave you before. And to find the frequency, you, for example, can count how many times a wave hits the seashore in 1 minute. To solve it, you just need to divide frequency in both sides, and that's it. It would be velocity divided by frequency equals the wavelength.
Now I'm gonna show some demonstrations of how wave works.
Here we can see that when I drop the ball, it transfers all the energy it has to the water, creating the wave. In this next demonstration, we can see that the wind is the one that's passing the energy to the water and creating the waves.
To understand better waves and how they work, I'm gonna give you some background knowledge through some important words.
The crest, how you can see with the arrow, is the highest point the medium raises to. Wavelength is the distance from one crest to another or from one trough to another. Wind is a current of air, especially a natural one that moves along or parallel to the ground, moving from one area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. Water is a colorless, transparent liquid that forms the sea, lakes, rivers, rain, and is the basis of the fluids of living organisms. The ocean is a very large expanse of the sea, in particular each of the main areas into which the sea is divided geographically. The coast is the closest part of the land near to the sea. It's basically the edge of the land. The seashore is an area of sandy, stony, or rocky land bordering the sea, and it's at the same level with the sea. Speed is the rate at which someone or something is able to move or operate. Acceleration increases in the rate or speed of something. Tides are the alternate rising and falling of the sea, usually twice in each lunar day at a particular place, due to the attraction of the moon and the sun.
Earth is divided by land and sea, and even though throughout history humans have lived in land, water, and the ocean have made life possible, the ocean consists in tides, currents, and waves. The waves in the ocean have not only benefited humans for fun, but they have developed our culture.
Water is one of the most important things for me. I love the water sports, I love waves. And now, for me to learn about the science of waves is very important because now I know what I'm playing with, and I hope you learn too.